In pharmaceutical and biotech manufacturing, it's essential to maintain strict quality standards and to incorporate best practices into every step of the production process to ensure that patient safety is always the top priority. AdvantaPure, a division of NewAge Industries, is the partner global leaders rely on for high-purity tubing, hose, and related products. As an ISO 9001 certified company, an Rx-360 audited supplier, and Bioforum supply partner, AdvantaPure is committed to adhere to critical manufacturing standards and process guidelines. It begins in receiving, where raw materials are taken in, inspected, and issued lot numbers for traceability. Identifying details are entered into our systems for tracking, and materials that meet standards are then routed to inventory or manufacturing for extrusion or injection molding. Product is then made according to tight specifications and under strict USP 788 particulate controls related to both product and environmental requirements. In addition, as an employee-owned company, AdvantaPure is proud to have team members who are personally invested in maintaining a high standard of care when performing their duties. Throughout the production cycle, inspection activities are performed at planned intervals to help ensure every product that leaves our facility meets the exacting specifications of the biopharmaceutical processing industry. Once products are verified, they are then packaged and sent to inventory for storage or to the next stage of assembly in the case of components. We have a close focus on quality at AdvantaPure. Our sterility assurance program includes routine monitoring consisting of quarterly dose audits, quarterly USP 788 and USP 85 testing on all TPE and silicone master devices, and annual bioburden testing on all sterility components and tubing. In addition, our products are tested to industry standards for biocompatibility, toxicity, and extractables to reduce the risk of adverse effects. The AdvantaPure Environmental Monitoring Program allows us to verify that our clean rooms meet appropriate standards. These rooms are ISO 7 and 8 certified annually to operational conditions. Additional routine testing is completed to ensure that we remain within compliance to ISO 14644 requirements throughout the year. In addition, the quality management system that controls our operations is ISO 9001 certified. Regarding regulatory compliance, NewAge periodically reaches out to its vendors and suppliers for updates and current status conditions. This information is supplied to our customers through regulatory summaries located on our websites or by statement letter through special request. We are always happy to research any special substances of concern if something is not covered in our standard documentation. All of these efforts ensure that our customers receive biopharmaceutical grade products that are safe, fully reliable, and that meet exacting specifications for a variety of applications. AdvantaPure, purity in fluid flow systems.